आज सुबह जब मैं उठी तो पता चला शहर में कुछ नया बना है। मास्क उठाया, सैनिटाइजर लिया और निकल गई। क्या नया बना है वो आप इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। शहर वैसे ये गुड़गांव है और इसमें हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया बनता ही रहता है। गुप्ता अंकल का घर फिर से बनना शुरू हो गया था। जैन अंकल कार रिवर्स कर रहे थे। ये तो रोज जैसा ही था। फिर नया क्या था? पार्क के पास थोड़ी हलचल थी, पर पार्क में कोई हलचल और कुछ नया नहीं था। देखना तो था ही, आप लोगों को दिखाना भी था। ये अंकल शायद मेरी मंजिल की ओर जा रहे थे, तो मैं भी इनके पीछे चल दी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ। हाथ में ट्राइपॉड उठाए, गोल्डन आवर की लाइट को एंजॉय करते हुए पहुंच ही गई इन बोलार्स तक। इस नई साइकिलिंग लेन से और इन बोलार्ड से शहर में क्या चेंज आया है, ये देखने से पहले थोड़ा रिवाइंड करते हैं और देखते हैं जो इन बोलार्ड से पहले आया था उससे इस शहर में क्या चेंज आया। The first cycle lane was made years ago. It is on the main road. So to start with my analysis, I found an empty spot and looked towards my left. And this is what I saw. A cab parked in that cycle lane. Then I looked towards my right, spotted one more cab parked in that cycle lane. After a little analysis, I just found out that due to absence of any strong visual barrier in terms of color or any physical barrier like bollards, this cycle lane has become a part of this existing road. But that doesn't mean that nobody uses it. Commuters who commute on cycle, they prefer to use this cycle lane. Why? Because first of all, it is on main road, it is easily accessible. Second, there is a clarity of movement. And now we will talk about this one, a new addition to the city.
इस सेक्टर में जब भी हमें साइकिलिंग करनी होती है, हम इसी रोड पे आते हैं। सबसे स्मूथ और मतलब अच्छी रोड है, और तो इस पे ये लगा दिया, इसलिए गाड़ियाँ भी नहीं आ सकती, तो मतलब बहुत अच्छी है साइकिल।
और ऐसी और साइकिल ट्रैक्स होनी चाहिए पूरे सिटी में।
हाँ।
I continued with my analysis, spotted an empty spot and sat. Cleaned my hand a little, then I looked towards my left. Found two boys doing all sorts of stunts. Then I looked towards my right and I saw a woman enjoying her evening walk. And this Mohatarma, she was busy in her evening walk. Just look at her. Due to absence of car and vehicular movement on this road, people have started coming out. They walk, they cycle, and they are just owning up the street. There are few things that could have been done better. First of all, this cycle lane lacks a sort of connectivity. It also lacks a green cover at certain places. Evenings are the time when we like to go for a jog or a cycle, so a better lighting on the street will make it more usable. So in the end, you asked Bhavna, what does your analysis say? Which one of the two cycle lanes work for a city? So my answer would be, दोनों में कुछ खूबियाँ हैं, दोनों में कुछ खामियाँ हैं. One is used by commuters who commute by cycle. For them, ease of accessibility and clarity of movement are the most important things, as they have to reach their destination in the least possible time. The first one, it provides a sense of safety by restricting car movement. As people are fearless of accidents by car, They cycle on it bindas, they walk on it, and they are claiming the street. An ideal cycle lane would be amalgamation of both these, which provides a sense of security, ease of accessibility, a better lighting, and some green cover.
Hi, my name is Bhavna Jha and I'm an architect and I make videos on life, architecture and career. So if any of the three things interest you, do consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you next week with a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.